Can a repaired shingle be redone easily? When repairing an asphalt shingle roof, start by assessing the damage and working in dry, cool conditions to prevent adhesive problems. Lift the surrounding shingles gently with a flat bar and remove any broken or loose pieces while keeping the underlying felt and decking intact. For replacement, slide a matching shingle into place, align it with the existing courses, and secure it with ring shank nails placed just under the shingle tab line and driven flush, but not overdriven, so the shingle can seat and the nail head stays visible. Use a compatibly typed roofing cement sparingly under the shingle tab beyond the nail line to seal against wind uplift, and press firmly for a few seconds to get adhesion. Avoid excess cement that will squeeze out and make future removal harder. If the shingle is only lifted, reheating old asphalt adhesive with a hand roller or applying a thin bead of roofing cement will readhere it, but do not use household caulks that will fail under UV and temperature swings. For ridge or hip shingles, follow the manufacturer pattern and avoid cutting below the ridge line to prevent exposure of the nail heads. Always stagger joints to maintain water shedding. Finish by inspecting the repair from below the eave and from ground level with binoculars to confirm alignment and that fasteners are seated correctly. Common mistakes include driving nails too high under the shingle tab, which lets water track into the fastener hole. Correct by removing the nail with a cat's paw or pry bar. Replace with a new nail placed just under the tab line, and seal the old hole with a small dab of roofing cement. Another frequent issue is using too much or the wrong type of adhesive, which creates a permanent mess and can bond shingle layers incorrectly. Remedy this by carefully cutting away excess cement with a sharp utility knife and cleaning the area, then reinstalling with the proper thin bead of compatible roofing cement. Third, beginners often tear the underlayment or damage the felt while lifting shingles. To fix that, gently pry up a larger area to gain purchase, trim any shredded felt to clean edges, overlap with a small patch of underlayment sealed with roofing cement, and then reinstall the replacement shingle. We run BigHomeProjects.com as a place where homeowners can find local contractors and contractors can find jobs related to projects like shingle repair. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share experiences, ask questions, and post practical tips about repair reversibility and best practices.